Welcome to my YouTube channel MVP Auto Update Hub. Are you looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and reliable commuter bike? Well, Hero has got you covered with the HF Deluxe, a motorcycle that has been winning the hearts of daily riders for years. Whether you're a city commuter or someone who loves long rides without breaking the bank, this bike promises efficiency, comfort, and durability. The 2025 Hero HF Deluxe continues the legacy of being one of the most economical and practical motorcycles in India. Its 100cc engine strikes the perfect balance between power and mileage, making it a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. With i3S technology, Hero ensures that you get maximum fuel efficiency, reducing fuel consumption by automatically switching off the engine when idling. Just pull the clutch, and the engine comes back to life. Now, let's talk about design. The HF Deluxe may be a commuter bike, but Hero has given it a stylish touch. The bold graphics, sharp headlamp design, and well-contoured fuel tank add to its appeal. The body-colored rear view mirrors and the attractive alloy wheels further enhance its looks. Coming to performance, the 97.2cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine delivers 8.02 bhp of power and 8.05 Nm of torque. While these numbers may seem modest, the HF Deluxe excels in real-world conditions, offering smooth acceleration and easy maneuverability. The 4-speed gearbox ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on highways. Now, let's talk about what makes the HF Deluxe truly stand out: its impressive mileage. With Hero's advanced fuel-saving technology, this bike can deliver around 70 to 80 km per liter, depending on riding conditions. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in its segment, perfect for those who want to save on fuel costs. Comfort is another key highlight of the HF Deluxe. The long, well-padded seat provides ample support for both the rider and the pillion, making long journeys effortless. The telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear ensure a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Safety-wise, Hero has equipped the HF Deluxe with integrated braking system (IBS), ensuring better control and shorter stopping distances. The drum brakes on both wheels provide adequate stopping power, making it a safe ride for daily commuting. The HF Deluxe comes in multiple variants, including kickstart and self-start options, giving buyers the flexibility to choose as per their preference. Hero also offers attractive color schemes, adding a fresh look to this commuter bike. So, if you're looking for a bike that is affordable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, the Hero HF Deluxe is a solid choice. Let us know in the comments, would you pick this bike for your daily commute? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting updates.